Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore the comprehensive role of artificial intelligence in managing shrinkage within call centers. From predicting absenteeism and optimizing schedules to real-time adjustments in staffing, AI transforms how workforce gaps are handled. It not only reduces costs and overtime by improving staffing accuracy, but also enhances customer experience by ensuring shorter wait times and consistent service levels. By the end, you'll see how AI-driven shrinkage management creates measurable impact, balancing operational efficiency, financial performance, and customer satisfaction. Artificial intelligence is redefining forecasting and workforce planning in call centers. Through predictive forecasting, AI examines historical shrinkage data, absenteeism trends, seasonal patterns, and even external influences like holidays or weather conditions. This allows organizations to anticipate staffing needs with far greater accuracy than traditional methods. Beyond forecasting, AI also enables scenario modeling, simulating what-if situations such as spikes in absenteeism, extended training sessions, or sudden workload surges. These simulations provide leaders with valuable insights into how staffing levels, service levels, and customer experience might be impacted under different conditions. The outcome is clear: more accurate shrinkage assumptions, fewer SLA breaches, and smarter scheduling decisions that optimize both labor costs and service delivery. In essence, AI transforms workforce planning from reactive guesswork into proactive, data-driven strategy. Artificial intelligence also plays a critical role in real-time shrinkage monitoring. With AI-powered dashboards, supervisors gain live visibility into agent logins, breaks, and availability. Every deviation from schedule, whether it's an unplanned break, an early logout, or extended idle time, is tracked instantly. AI further enhances this visibility through automated alerts, notifying managers the moment shrinkage exceeds defined thresholds. This enables immediate corrective actions, preventing minor issues from escalating into major service disruptions. The impact is significant: unplanned shrinkage is reduced, intraday adjustments become smoother, and overall SLA performance remains protected. By turning real-time data into actionable insights, AI ensures that workforce management is proactive rather than reactive. AI is also transforming how absenteeism is predicted and managed. Using predictive analytics, AI learns from historical absenteeism data to identify recurring patterns, such as higher no-shows on Mondays, late logins after holidays, or seasonal spikes during flu season. By forecasting these risks in advance, workforce planners can proactively prepare for potential staffing shortfalls. This intelligence enables proactive scheduling strategies, such as lining up backup agents, staggering shifts, or reinforcing critical time slots. The result is fewer unexpected staffing gaps, reduced levels of unplanned shrinkage, and more stable agent availability throughout the day. In short, AI-driven absenteeism prediction shifts workforce management from reacting to last-minute disruptions to planning ahead with confidence and precision. AI also plays a pivotal role in optimizing planned shrinkage. Traditionally, activities like training sessions, coaching, or team meetings often pull agents away from the phones at times when customer demand is high. With AI, these activities can be strategically scheduled. By analyzing call volume forecasts, AI recommends the most efficient times for training and meetings, ensuring they have minimal impact on service delivery. In addition, AI-powered e-learning recommendation engines suggest microlearning modules that agents can complete in short bursts, reducing the need for extended periods away from the queue. This flexibility allows employees to continue building skills without compromising customer support. The impact is clear: lower planned shrinkage during periods of peak demand, higher agent availability for customers, and a smoother balance between workforce development and operational performance. Self-service and automation tools further strengthen shrinkage management in call centers. Chatbots and IVR self-service systems handle routine customer queries, deflecting a significant portion of call traffic away from live agents. This becomes especially valuable during periods of high shrinkage, ensuring that customers still receive timely support even when agent availability is reduced. AI also enhances staffing flexibility through intelligent shift swapping. Agents can digitally exchange shifts based on personal needs, while AI automatically verifies coverage to maintain operational balance, eliminating the need for constant managerial intervention. Together, these tools provide higher workforce agility and resilience, allowing operations to run smoothly even during absenteeism spikes or unexpected disruptions. AI-enhanced reporting and root cause analysis take shrinkage management to the next level. Instead of relying on surface-level metrics, AI generates detailed breakdowns of shrinkage, separating planned activities like training and meetings from unplanned issues such as absenteeism or downtime. Along with this segmentation, it provides root cause insights, helping leaders understand not just what happened, but why it happened. AI also delivers advanced trend analysis, correlating shrinkage levels with key performance indicators such as service levels, average handle time, occupancy, and abandon rates. These correlations highlight how fluctuations in shrinkage directly impact both customer experience and operational costs. The result is smarter, data-driven staffing decisions that go beyond guesswork, creating a cycle of continuous improvement, tighter shrinkage control, and sustainable cost optimization. Finally, AI's role in shrinkage management extends to financial and strategic impact. By reducing unplanned shrinkage, organizations can significantly cut overtime expenses and idle time costs, ultimately lowering the cost per call. Accurate staffing also ensures stronger protection of service-level agreements. For outsourced operations, this translates into fewer SLA breaches and fewer penalty risks, directly safeguarding profitability. Beyond cost control, AI-driven shrinkage management helps preserve and grow revenue. With more agents available, call handling capacity increases, abandon rates decline, and sales conversions improve. At the same time, faster service enhances customer loyalty and retention. In short, AI doesn't just streamline workforce operations, it strengthens the entire business model by aligning cost efficiency, service reliability, and revenue growth. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.